I just received Philips Sonicare's newest product, the Philips Sonicare Teeth Whitening Kit. From the creators of Philips Sonicare Power Toothbrushes and Zoom In-Office Whitening comes a semi-custom whitening kit. This package is designed to bring an effective whitening solution to your patients without the hassle of impressions, model pouring, or downtime. It's available in 2 different strengths and can only be obtained from a dental office. Each kit is equipped with everything your patient needs for achieving a brighter smile at home. It includes 1 shade guide, 3 whitening gel syringes, each syringe containing 3 treatments, for 9 treatments total, 2 moldable trays in case they need a backup, and a tray case for safekeeping. And the best part? No chair time required. What sets this kit apart is its user-friendly design. The shade guide is specifically made for use in front of a mirror with reverse numbers, making it easy for patients to track their progress. The advanced kit features a 9.5% hydrogen peroxide gel, clinically proven to whiten teeth up to 5 shades. And for those with sensitive teeth, there's a caring kit with a 6% hydrogen peroxide gel, clinically proven to brighten teeth up to 4 shades with minimal sensitivity. Patients can mold the trays at home using hot water in a mug. If an adjustment needs to be made, you can remold, or there's a backup set of trays. You can even mold the trays while keeping intact the tab used to hold the tray in hot water, making any remold that much easier. These trays fit snug, preventing sliding and ensuring the gel stays on the teeth and not on the gums. Applying the gel is a breeze. Use small drops of the enamel-safe whitening gel in the tray into each tooth impression. There is a dot on the dispenser to help ensure the right amount is being used. Again, this gel is proven to whiten with minimal sensitivity without compromising results. Backed by years of clinical science, offer a semi-custom whitening solution that delivers beautiful smiles without chair time. It's safe, easy to use, and highly effective. A perfect choice for your patient's whitening needs.